Hi everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're doing a video unboxing of Belle Tress Dalgona 16 in the extended lace version. Stay tuned. I am wearing Santiago by Belle Tress in crushed almond blonde. So this is Dalgona 16 E and Tres Leches, if I'm saying that correctly, Tres Leches blonde. Now, I've only ever tried one Dalgona. It was not the extended version, and it was honey with chai latte. That color's a little warm for me. I tend to like the cooler colors. This is the first time I've tried Tres Leches blonde as well, so I'm really anxious to see what this looks like. This is from the Cafe collection, so if you're familiar with Belle Tress, it's one of their original collections. What I found in the past, at least, is that the Cafe collection wigs are typically a little bit higher density, but we will find out. Let's take the net off. The net is off. These come boxed a little bit differently too than like the City collection, the Luxe, and the Icons collection. It feels a little, oops, I have silicone packet here, silica packet. Feels a little bit, yeah, a bit heavier, I think, than the City and like the Luxe collections, but not too bad. Here she is out of the box. We'll go ahead, we'll put her on. I won't do anything to it initially. I will put it on so you can see what it looks like right out of the box, and then I'll take it off, shake it out, comb it out a little bit so you can see what it looks like after a little bit of work. So I do this so you can see right out of the box. Typically you do get box hair. Sometimes you do get some cold set in these. This one has the deep left part. You've got about from here to here, maybe about 1 inch of parting space. It does have the extended lace front, so this one does extend into the ear tabs. Again, you know, they do look kind of funky out of the box, and you do typically have to shake them out, comb them out, do a little bit of work to make it look more natural. So don't get discouraged, especially if you're newer to wig wearing. I'm still a little bit newer to wig wearing. I've been wearing wigs for probably about 7 or 8 months only. But once you get the hang of things, it's pretty easy to make things look realistic. So here she is right out of the box. Looks like a wig for sure. But stay tuned, we'll do just a little bit of work to it and I'll show you what she looks like. And we're back. All I did was shake her out, broke up the zigzag part. I moved it just a little bit because it does have a pretty deep left part, and I don't really care for that deep of a part. You've got about 1 inch of room to play with. I was able to kind of curve the part just a little bit to give that illusion of not as deep of a left part, but again, I shook it out, clipped the bangs back so I could get it off my face a little bit more, and used a wide tooth comb to comb it out. So it turned out pretty good. This is an easy style to wear. It's not as long as the ones I typically wear. This is more of a throw and go. I think everybody needs a Dalgona. It's really cute. So here's the left side and the back. The right side and back to the front. You can see the part, very realistic. The lace front, I don't think anybody does a better lace front than Belle Tress, and the lace does go all the way into the ear tabs. This has the velvet ear tabs. It has the velvet extended nape, the Velcro adjusters, and it is wefted with just that left mono part. Really cute. As of December 2025, I do have several of these in stock. I was able to get a special buy from Belle Tress, so I have a really good price. They're priced well under $200. I think right now we have them for $189.99 on our website. Various colors available. Come check them out at Camille'sCrownCloset.com. Thanks for watching.